If I could turn back the clock and make sure the light defeated the dark, I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe.
Happy July 4th. Everyone enjoy. Pork. जुजो यो हाम्रो जुलाई 4 को बार्बिक्यू हैन यो चाहिँ आज बार्बिक्यू गर्ने है छोरो छोराले पनि खाने आज बार्बिक्यू यो के हो थाहा छ
Yeah.
के हो भनौँ
Duck.
होइन
What?
विन्स डग कोइलर चिकन विन्स
Yeah.
ग्रिल ग्रिल ओपन गरेको
Happy 4th of July, guys.
Happy 4th of July. Yes. चिया खाँदैन पुरै पावर आइसक्यो चिया खाने ल यो जाल
My nuggets.
Okay, how many would you? How many?
I need my 4 ones.
4. Do you need 2?
I don't want nuggets.
Bana sudah.
मलाई खाऊ लान्न खाऊ यसो पछि बार्बिक्यू खाए
Orang kamu tahu itu kan?
नाइ हो यो दुईटा खाउनु न
Look, kecap ya. Bring kecap. Bring kecap. Sorry, what's on your hair?
Nothing.
कस्टमर
Sorry, there's something on your.
मैले यो काम गर्दै तिमीले पोइन्ट दिन्छु भन्दै थियो
नयाँ ग्रिलमा उद्घाटन
उद्घाटन है
स्मेल धन्न आएन नयाँको स्मेल आएको छैन क्या
अघि अन गरेँ नि त त्यहाँ माथि
Happy July 4th, Babu.
ल ह्याप्पी जुलाई 4
साइड त्यो चाहिँ साइड भनेर
$0.8. $1.
You have to spend like very much big money.
That's what I'm saying. For us, maybe it's good because we are sending money to our
But
family.
to buy it,
But
yeah.
those people,
But
Yeah,
only
who live
really
there?
bad, right?
yeah.
Say hi. It's a vlog.
Hello.
You know he has a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
It's under Suhan name.
Oh,
Username.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know?
No, I didn't know that.
Oh, then you live here with us, so you should know everything. Yeah, it's Suhan. Yeah.
You can watch the video.
Hi guys. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Ready for barbecue?
Yeah.
Right?
I already subscribed.
Yes. And tell me, how is it?
It's so hot.
How's it?
I love it. It's nice toast.
Oh, that's good.
But
Happy July 4th.
Happy July 4th.
I want some. Give me some.
Happy
You
July
want, you want
4th.
Coke?
Happy July 4th.
Sarmin, how much?
Cheers गर्नुपर्छ है सर्बिन ओके
यो त सानोमै खाएर बस्छ
खोइ चेस गरेर फेरि
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy July 4th.
Pizza cheers गर्दैछ
Oh my.
मैले स्टार्टिङै मबाट गर्नुभयो थियो अघि
कपालाको खुसी
ल Happy 4th of July Viva sir.
Happy July 4th.
Hello Papa. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good Papa.
Happy
July 4th.
4th of July.
Hi.
Hi.
आज के हो छोरा?
July 4th and Independence Day.
What we celebrating?
We're celebrating USA and its freedom.
Alright. Thank you.
एउटा फ्यामिलीको फोटो खिच्न आइज
Family त सबै family हो. यति वर आउट.
होइन मैले जन्माएकोहरू
यो बनाएको छ.
ए
The other is
Oh, what about Mama? What Mama को
What do you think? I'm alien?
हडम
No, मुख मिल्छ अरे. Mama को जस्तो मुख मिल्छ? पापा or आमा? Papa.
Or different?
Ama? What about me? Ama when she is younger, right? And what about me? Ama, and Timmy also.
Cheers, cheers.
And what about Bhai? What do you
Yeah,
look
go
like?
come.
मलाई फोटो पठाएछ.
कहिले
हेलो आज टुन टन्न हो सुवासको बार्बेक्यू खाइ खाइ हाउसफुल भयो
के खायो सुभाष दाइको बार्बेक्यू? सुभाष दाइ कति किलो घट्यो नि?
दुईटा मेसिन छ अब त्यहाँ हो एउटा कुन चाहिँ खाने एउटामा पोर्क र एउटामा चिकन मिक्सहरू
एउटा भेजलाई आउँछ आयो
Happy July 4th. Oh my gosh. We have to come together.
This is the best one?
Yeah. The back one. It smells so smoky.
Huh?
It's so smoky. Yeah. That sound feels like it's coming from everywhere.
Yeah.
Round number 2.
Hi, Choro. Did you enjoy?
Yeah. And those people are celebrating so much. With so much fire. They're doing it right now.
진짜 하세요? हजारौँ कहाँ Happy July 4th.
Happy July 4th.
Happy Paiti
Happy Diwali.
Diwali.
4th July.
Happy Diwali.
July 4th.
Happy 4th July.
July 4th.
July 4th, right?
Happy July 4th.
Happy Serving Day. Hi Nana.
Hi.
Tell me something about July 4th.
Listen. I'm very happy because I'm with my family, with my son, with you, everybody. I made it. So I'm enjoying it. Everybody's enjoying it here.
You enjoying slowly?
Yes. Because we are making the video. Watching hours because we spent $60.
Whoa, nice. Good job, guys. We clean. Make America clean again.
Boom, boom. This is not important, man. Really? Let's put a camera out here. Wow! त्यही त कति खर्च गरे होला Hey guys.
पढाएको सकिँदैन आने छ छिमेकी है
पैसा फाले छ हैन
चाबी चाहिँ मैले हामीलाई त्यसरी नै
Thank you.